Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at place value in expanded form and expanded notation. I'm going to go ahead and draw my place value chart. So I have my ones, my tens, my hundreds, and my thousands. I put the value ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then I put my number 3,496. So for expanded form, I start in the greatest place, and I have 3 in the thousands place. So that tells me I have 3 1,000s. So I have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. That tells me the value of my thousands place. Plus, then I move to my hundreds place. I have 4 in the hundreds place. So I go 100, 200, 300, 400 is the value of my hundreds place. Plus my tens place. I have 9 tens. So I go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 is the value of my tens place. Plus my ones place. I have a 6 in my ones place. That tells me the value of my ones place is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is decomposing my number into expanded form. Let's look at expanded notation for the same number. Okay, I start in my thousands place, and for expanded notation, I know that I have 3 groups of 1,000. So I'm going to go parentheses, 3 groups of 1,000. And I know that that symbol right here, some of you may notice that is the multiplication symbol, but we're going to read it as 3 groups of 1,000. Then I put my plus sign. I move to my hundreds place, and I have 4 groups of 100. Close my parentheses, move to my tens place, and I have 9 groups of 10 in my tens place. Parentheses, 9 groups of 10, plus I move to my ones place, and I have 6 groups of 1. Okay, so that is my expanded form and expanded notation for 3,496. Then I can move to a number to the 10,000s place. So I have my ones, my tens, my hundreds, my thousands, and my 10,000s. So I have my ones, my tens, my hundreds, my thousands, and my 10,000s. Okay, then I put my number in, which is 17,000. Make sure I'm putting my comma in, 452. I start off with expanded form. I start in the greatest place, so I know I have 1 10,000. So that tells me the value is 10,000. Plus, I move to my thousands place, and I have 7 1,000s. So I go 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. Making sure I'm putting my comma in the correct place. My plus sign. Then I move to the hundreds place, and I have 4 100s. So I know the value of my hundreds place is going to be 100, 200, 300, 400. And I put my plus sign. Then I move to my tens place. I have 5 10s, so that tells me the value of my tens place is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Put my plus sign. I move to my ones place. I have 2 1s in the ones place, so I know my value is 1, 2. So this is how you find expanded form to the 10,000s place. Now let's look at expanded notation. So I start in the greatest place first. So I know that I have one group of 10,000. So I have my parentheses, one group of 10,000. Making sure I'm putting my commas in the correct place for thousands. Then I move to my thousands place. I have 7 groups of 1,000. Put my parentheses and my plus sign. Then I move to my hundreds place. I have 4 groups of 100. Close my parentheses and my plus sign. Then I move to my tens place. I have 5 groups of 10. Close my parentheses and write my plus sign. And I move to my ones place, and I have 2 groups of 1. Okay, boys and girls, so Miss Tara has given you an example of expanded form and expanded notation for a number to the thousands place and to the 10,000s place. If you take it from the greatest place first and move to your ones place, and write down everything, it should come out correct. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher. Ms. Tier will also be doing another video for expanded form and expanded notation to the 100,000s. Please check out that video as well.